Hello friends, today is very sunny. We will meet our new friend. He is Thomas the funny train.
Hello, I'm Thomas. Nice to meet you.
Well, today we are going around the world. We will know there are many trains there.
Okay, I will take you. Come on.
This is a steam train. This train runs on coal fuel. This train is driven by a steam engine. This is a great train. Do you guys like it? Let's move on.
Okay, now we will go to another place. There is a good train. Let's go. Let's go, we adventure again. We will need clues for this adventure. Can anyone help me? We need a map so as not to get lost. Did you look at the map?
This is a cable car. Do you dare to be up there?
Do you still want to adventure with me? We will need backpacks to carry food.
Yeah, you found it. Okay, let's go.
Now we will take this train. We will travel through the world.
Now we have arrived at the station. This is where people gather to wait for the train. The train will take us to our destination. Okay, now we are at the end of the video. Do you guys like? Help me by subscribing. We will meet in the next adventure. See you later. Thanks for watching.